Chip. Hey, hey. Israel. Yeah. SOE. State of emergency. Yeah. It was a windy night, driving down mid-low turnpike. Lids low, I turn right, figured I roll for the night. Enjoying the sights of life's lights illuminating and bright. Scenes brew from a blatant life, slides them in the stripes. Many men alike, seen with different teams and different types, with different dreams. It seem alike, but still they fight. These just my thoughts on some different things that I write. Hoping that I write to understand things that's wrong and right. It's not a long life, it's still with simple habits. After it, I'm hoping I can take flight like Wilbur Wright. Struggles build up the higher heights. So how can they deny the right to ladders of shit that have me out of eye high at the highest point on this earth? From joints to the earth, who simulates as a simple nation's proverb. My temple's aching and hurt, I need me a perk. Seems my vision blurred like I was sipping syrup, man. Trying to blow like coaches on fire. I roll with my style, approaching the crowd. After dying about half of my vial, I'm corn the guy. I was born a sinner, left assed out like a porno picture actor. Nigga sticking to the script. I'm sticking to a hips done. I'm sticking niggas quick. Spit it, I sit quicker than slick Rick. Mixed with Twisted, it's a fucking revolution. I'm buff for revolution. Revolver sticking moving like fucking bitches proving. I'm never letting go. Spitting in vain like I injected the flow. Arrogant nigga, respect my shit, yo. I'm known as is, bone your bitch, man. I get though like mafia. Family matters like fucking Eddie Winslow. And let me in, yo. It's what I'm saying to this nympho. Creep in the window. As for the flow, hey man, it's been dope. Since I was 10 though, I've been cold. Cause I had to adapt to my environment. Inspired the whole shit to make your body separate from your soul. I'm blazing the drove to calm my nerves, get them control, nigga. Yeah.